Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted your Notion pages to look more polished and personalized, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a stunning, aesthetic title for any Notion page using a simple code. By the end of this video, you'll know how to elevate your Notion workspace, making your pages not only more organized, but also uniquely yours. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a small bit of code. Don't worry, it's not complicated at all. I'll put the exact code down in the description so you can simply copy and paste it, no memorization required. What's great about this technique is that the code is fully customizable. You can tweak it to suit your style, mood, or even the vibe of the page you're working on. Now, once you've copied that code, hop over to your Notion page. Place your cursor at the very top or wherever you want your new fancy title to go and paste the code right there. At this point, the code is just plain text. It doesn't look any different yet. Here, where things start to get interesting, you'll want to highlight all of it. Just click and drag your mouse across the entire string of code. When you highlight the text, a little toolbar will pop up right above it. Take a look at the options presented there. Among the formatting selections, you'll see something labeled Mark as Equation. Go ahead and click that. Now, why are we marking this code as an equation? This is actually a handy Notion trick. When you mark text as an equation, Notion treats it differently, turning it into this smooth, stylized font that stands out from regular headers or titles. It basically unlocks a special visual style that isn't available with normal text formatting. Think of it like giving your title a secret wardrobe upgrade. Suddenly, it looks more modern and visually interesting. After you've marked it as an equation, don't forget to click Done in the toolbar. This action lets Notion know that you're finished editing that particular equation, and you'll see the code instantly transform into something much more eye-catching. Next, you're going to copy this newly styled title. Just select it, right-click, and hit copy, or use whatever method you prefer for copying text. Now, here's a neat tip. You can use this styled title wherever you like in your Notion workspace. Just head to the very top of your page, right in the title area, click to edit, and then paste what you just copied. Instantly, you'll have a gorgeous, aesthetic title front and center on your page. That's really all there is to it. This trick is quick, easy, and super effective for customizing your Notion pages. If your code looks a little off, or if the formatting doesn't change, don't worry. Just retrace the steps and double-check that you marked it as an equation before copying. Sometimes it takes a moment for Notion to catch up, so be patient and give it a try. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial. If you found this tip helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other Notion hacks you want to see. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more simple, aesthetic digital tips like this one. See you in the next video.